Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, the real numbers, question 9. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, so that the cube of a positive integer is of the form 6q plus r, where q is an integer and r is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will let a positive integer is equals to n. So n is of form 6m plus 0 or 6m plus 1 or 6m plus 2 or 6m plus 3 or 6m plus 4 or 6m plus 5. So r will be less than 6. So we will cube both sides by taking n is equals to 6m. So we can ignore 0. So n cube is equals to 6m whole cube. So n cube is equals to 216 m cube. So n cube is equals to 6 is common, so 36 m cube. So we will write here cube is equals to 36 m cube. So n cube is equals to 6q plus r. So plus r will be 0. So moving towards next step. So n is equals to 6m plus 1. So n cube is equals to 6m plus 1 whole cube. So we will cube both sides. So we will get a plus b whole cube. So a cube 216 m cube plus 1 b cube plus 3a square b. A square is 6, square is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. 108 m square plus 3ab square. So 3a, 3 into 6 is 18. 18 m. So we will take common. Before common, we will arrange in exponential form. 216 m cube plus 108 m square plus 18 m plus 1. So n cube is equals to 6 will be common, so 36 m cube plus 148 18 m square plus 3m plus 1. So from here we can write q is equals to 36 m cube plus 18 m square plus 3m. So we will get n cube is equals to 6q plus r. So r is 1. So we will move towards next step. So n is equals to 6m plus 2. So cubing both sides, we will get 6m plus 2 whole cube. So n cube is equals to a plus b whole cube. So a cube 216 m q plus 8 plus 3a square b. So 3 into a square. So a square will be 36. 36 into 3, 108. 108 into 2. So 6, 1 and 216 m square plus 3ab square. So 6 into 3 is 18. 18 into 4, 72. 72 m. So we will arrange in exponential form. So we will get 216 m cube plus 216 m square plus 72 m plus 8. So we will take common as 6. So 6 will be common. So 36 m cube plus 36 m square plus 1 and 2, 12 m, and this we can write as 6 plus 2. So we will get here plus 1 and plus 2. So from here we can take q. So q is equals to 36 m cube plus 36 m square plus 12 m plus 1. So from here we can write n cube is equals to 6q plus 2, which is in the form of 6q plus r. R is 2. So moving towards the next step, n is equals to 6m plus 3. So we will take n is equals to 6m plus 3. So cubing both sides, we will get 6m plus 3 whole cube. So we can write a plus b whole cube in expanded form. So 216 m cube plus 27 plus 3a square b. So a square is 36 into 3, 108. 108 into 3, 108 into 3, 4, 2, 3, 324 m square plus 3ab square. 3a. 3a is 18 and 18 into 9. 162 m. So from here we will take exponential form. So 216 m cube plus 324 m square plus 162 m plus 27. So we will take common as 6. So 6 will be common. So 36 m cube plus 5 and 2, 4. 54 m square plus 2 and 4, 2, 27 m, and this we can write as 24 plus 3. So we will take common as 4 and we will add 3. So from here we can write q is equals to 36 m cube plus 54 m square plus 27 m plus 4. So q we have written, so n cube is equals to 6q plus 3, which is in the form of 6q plus r, where r is 3. So we will now take 6m plus 4. N is equals to 6m plus 4. So n is equals to 6m plus 4. We will cube both sides. So 6m plus 4 whole cube. So n cube is equals to 216 m cube plus 64 plus 3a square b. So a square is 36 36 into 3, 108. 108 into 4, 108 into 4, 2, 3, 4, 432 m square plus 3ab square. So 3a is 18, 18 into 16. So 18 into 6 is 108 and 108 carry 10. So 18 into 1 is 18, 18 and 10, 28 m. So we will make in exponential form. So 216 m cube plus 432 m square plus 288 m plus 64. So we will take common as 6. So 36 m cube plus, so 6 into 7. So 42 to 1 to 6 into 2, 12 m square plus 6 into 4, 24 and 4 and 8, 48 m plus, so this we can write as 60 plus 4. So always this should be less than 6. This value should be less than 6. 10 plus 4. So we will write from here q. Q is equals to 36 m cube plus 72 m square plus 48 m plus 10. So n cube is equals to 6q plus 4. It is in the form of 6q plus r, where r is 4. So we will take 6m plus 5. So we will take n is equals to 6m plus 5. So we will take cubing both sides. So 6m plus 5 whole cube. We will write here a plus b whole cube expansion. So 216 m cube plus 125 plus 3a square b. So 3a square 36 into 3, 108, 108 into 5. 8 into 5 is 40, carry 4 and 5, 540 m square plus 3ab square. So b square first we will take, so 25, 25 into 6, 25 into 4 is 100 and 100 and 150. So 150 into 3, so 450 m. So we will arrange in exponential form. So we will get 216 m cube plus 540 m square plus 450 m plus 125. So from here we can write n cube is equals to 6 will be common, so 36 m cube plus 90 m square plus 6 7s are 42 plus we will get remainder 3, so 305 m plus, so we need r less than 6. This will be less than 6. So 120 plus 5. So we can write as common as 20 plus 5. So we will take q. So q is equals to 36 m cube plus 90 m square plus 75 m plus 20. So we will get n cube is equals to 6q plus 5. It is in the form of 6q plus r and R is 5. So that's all for this question. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box and I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.